I can't believe that um Elijah's Top Hat clan keeps on killing me. Well, I'm gonna get my revenge on them because once I'm done with them, I'm going to destroy their airship and their apartment convertible. And I heard they got a cargo train and a rocket. And I think they were gonna build an orbital station or some sort. I'm gonna try going to his cargo train, then I'm gonna try to destroy his top hat. 1 hour later. Alright, I'm in the location where Elijah's cargo train is. I'm gonna try and take down his top hats, then I'm gonna try stealing their money. But where can I find their money? Oh wait, it's their money cart. I can take their money from there. I'm gonna try and destroy one of their carts. Hey Miles, I got bad news. What do you want, Top Hat member? Passenger cart 3 has been smashed by a tank. We're under attack. I think Purple Guy must be causing this. Also, the Top Hats better try to kill him again. Alright, so that money cart must be around here somewhere. Oh wait, I see it over there. Although there's a guy with a minigun and he's blocking the way. He's on the top of the train. He's heading towards the money cart. I'll gun him down. What do you think you're doing, Purple Guy? I'm gonna steal your money. Oh, no you won't. I heard that you were trying to go for the money cart. Well, guess what? You're not stealing anyone's money. I'm gonna take you down. Oh, yeah? You're not even powerful. Yes, I do. With this minigun. Well, this is a minigun cart. So I'm gonna use it to shoot you up. No, I got a shield. What? How did you do that? I don't know. Well, say goodbye. Because I'm just gonna shoot you with my gun. No, please. I just saw Purple Guy on the window. He just shot one of the Top Hat members. And now he's in a coma. I guess, you know what? That's it. Enough of this crap. I'm gonna take him down myself. Well, well, well. If it isn't Miles. Yep, it's me. Also, so you're the one who's causing all the trouble. Well, Elijah sent me here to drive this train. Also, he sent me here to take you out. What are you gonna do now, Miles? You're not even powerful. Yes I am. I defeated you once, I could do it again. Well, I'm just gonna take you out once and for all. Ding! That's not gonna work on me, Purple Guy. Finally, purple guy is dead. Also, I don't know why I did a Undertale reference, but okay. The rockets will be launching very soon. Please be on board immediately. I will not hesitate to leave you behind. Don't worry, I'm on my way. The end.